How to change language in Paramount Plus. Now, this is very easy and very straightforward. All you have to do first is access your Paramount Plus account and ensure that you are logged in by using any browser or from your specific smart TVs that you're using. Now, for you to have access on the CC or the closed captioning, which is the one that we'll have to press first to be able to change the language, this is only accessible if you're currently watching on a specific movie. So if you're currently watching on a movie, just pause the movie and you should be able to see that option that says CC, which is going to be located at the top portion of your screen. Just press on that and you will be given multiple options depending on the movies you watch or any available languages that you can choose. And that's it. That's how easy is it for you to be able to change language and Paramount Plus.